I'm amazed that 75% of all the costs incurred today in our healthcare system are related to chronic disease. So I think it's fair to say that if we don't address chronic disease in a meaningful way, we will not have solved this problem.
This will only succeed if there's a bipartisan, multi-stakeholder effort in which everybody, including us, makes compromises, accepts things they may or may not like. But at the end of the day, this crisis is far too serious not to be addressed and addressed quickly.
Nag.
Kvetch.
Annoy.
Demand.
Bother.
Put your lips together.
And ask.
And ask.
Where your candidate for president
Stands on health care.
And spending more resources on the prevention.
On the prevention
Of chronic diseases.
And make sure
you
get an answer.
an answer.
An answer. Then vote like your health depends on it. Because it does.
Ladies, you know how to ask, don't you?
You can't fix the economy without fixing health care. And therefore, we need to move quickly to achieve meaningful health care reform.
We simply cannot avoid health care reform in this country anymore. Our sick care system is sick. There are people who are dying today around this country because of lack of access and affordability of our system.
At a time when American businesses are hurting, why should we worry about fixing healthcare? Because quality, affordable healthcare can save money and make businesses more competitive, so they can invest in innovation, hire back workers, create jobs, get the economy working again for everyone. Quality, affordable healthcare. It's not just something we should do for America's families. It's something we must do for America's economy.
Hi, I'm Steny Hoyer, the Majority Leader of the House of Representatives, and we're working hard to make sure the children of America have the health care they need. I hope all of you will join us in supporting the reauthorization of the state children's health insurance program to include millions of children who are eligible for but not covered by health insurance. That's good for our country, good for our families, and good for our children.
That's why we encourage you to support the reauthorization of SCHIP, the State Children's Health Insurance Program.
The House will come to order. Now all in favor say aye.
If kids could vote on children's health care coverage, they'd get it right. Senator Susan Collins got it right, too. She helped pass health care coverage for uninsured children, providing treatment and preventive care for over 6.5 million kids.
Next vote, longer recess.
Yeah, the warning signs are all there. Flat government funding for basic scientific research, a lower percentage of patents coming from American inventors, U.S. school children who don't know a test tube from a turnip. In our region especially, innovation is big business, and it may be at risk.
In my view, there's only one way out of this economic crisis, and that's to innovate.
The opportunities for bringing innovation to practical implementation are as high as they've ever been in the history of our industry.
There's not many areas I can think of where you get immediate results, but I think in the area of medical innovation, you get huge results.
By huge, Gephardt means jobs in the short run, medical breakthroughs that could save lives down the line. Imagine the savings, he says, if properly funded research develops a drug that can delay the onset of Alzheimer's disease. That's the pitch anyway. We'll see if Congress is swinging.
Why are 9 out of 10 seniors satisfied with their Medicare prescription benefit?
Because I want to fritter away my time.
Here you go, Grandpa.
Not my money.
Affordable premiums, a choice of plans, and enrollment is open. In just 3 years, 26 million seniors have signed up for Medicare prescription coverage.
Where 90% of the people who responded said that they like the program. It serves their needs, it meets the needs that they need in a prescription drug program.
The program has been so successful that New Jersey's elected leaders are taking notice. At this stop, New Jersey Congressman Frank Pallone dropped by to see the Help is Here Express in action.
We are intent on making sure that this industry, which is the medicine chest of the world, that would be New Jersey, stays in New Jersey as we go forward. I am pleased that you're here. I'm going to fight like hell to make sure you stay here.